Hello everyone, welcome to another informative episode on Whyte Daily Gardening and Worm Farm. So I got a package from Whyte gluten-free recipes. So I am just going to open the package to see what is in there. Oh, I see seeds falling out. So it looks as if some of the package got open. Here is a plant. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there is any information as to what plant it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the time. I think this is dead. It smells moldy. It is moldy. Oh, sad. I see seeds, look like tomato or pepper seeds. Most likely it will be pepper seeds. I got a nice pair of socks. And let's see, I got my pumpkin spice that Whyte gluten-free recipes made. And here is her label on it. I'm going to be enjoying this. I'm actually looking forward to it. I just might go and make myself some porridge now. Oh, my seeds got wet. Let's see. Okay, so these are cherry tomato seeds. Organic sweet pepper. I got Scotch bonnet. I guess the orange color. Scotch bonnet. I have red Scotch bonnet pepper. And I have red chili pepper. I'm not seeing what the seeds are coming out of because all the package are sealed. These are organic sweet peppers. Nice. Let's see. What are you? I've got Swedes. These are Swedes. I've got long sweet peppers. Minisan Marzano tomatoes. Oh, your writing is so nice. I've got organic vine tomato. Golden blush tomatoes. So many different tomatoes I've never heard of. Oh, more socks, eh? Nice.
Because that one's mine.
These are so thick and nice. I requested these, by the way. And let's see, night treatment gel.
For my face.
I guess this is for my daughter.
And if it came in the socks, then those socks are mine.
Nope, they're not yours. I requested those socks. Then I got this netting bag for reusable product. It's pretty nice. And here I have some masks that she made. So there is 1, 2, And these must be for the kids as they're very small. 3. I guess this is for the baby. 4. 5 masks. So I guess there's one for each member of the family. That is pretty good.
Which one do I want?
Well, the 2 biggest one is going to be for me and your papa.
Does that mean I get stuck with this one then?
This is the biggest one, so that must be for your dad.
Sweet, I'll take this one.
Hey. Okay, so I guess I'm left with this one then. And then this is for the little girl, and that's for the baby. They're so cute. They're so neat. And I believe you can find her mask on Etsy. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, I can work in this.
I'm not sure what the username is, what her seller name is on Etsy, but she's got them on Etsy, so you can check them out. These are pretty nice. Thank you, Whyte. We'll definitely be using these.
Already am.
And the oldest is already wearing her mask. Can I show you?
Yeah, duh. That's what I was waiting for.
Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how the mask fits. So there she is in her mask. That is how it fits. So let's see again here. So I'm not able to tell which of these packages the seeds that I'm seeing came out of. So let's look at all the seeds again. So I've got 2 pair of socks and a mask for each person. Now I'm going to look at the seeds to see what I got, but for whatever reason I think this is the citrus thyme that she said she would send me. Oh, I am missing something else. Let's see, this is roasted jerk seasoning. This is her own blend, so she made this of roasted jerk seasoning. I'm going to be enjoying that as well. In fact, I just might use it for dinner / supper this evening. Okay, so I got Swedes. I've got organic vine tomatoes, red Scotch bonnet peppers. These are different type of Roma tomatoes. I've got organic sweet peppers, and I have organic long sweet peppers. These are some more organic peppers. Got Scotch bonnet, orange Scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper, golden blush tomatoes, and Minisan Marzano tomatoes. Wow, that's a lot of tomatoes I'm going to be planting this year, a lot of varieties. I'm not familiar with most of these tomato varieties. Let's see, I've got how many tomatoes here? 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of tomatoes that I'm not used to. So I guess I'm going to have to now plant my garden so that I can inculcate all these tomatoes. That's going to be exciting, all those different flavors. Okay, so this is my update, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Whyte, for this package. I'm going to start using my sauces right away. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also go over to Whyte's gluten-free recipes for, as the name mentioned, gluten-free foods. She does herbs and spices. She does sauces and a lot of Jamaican gluten-free recipes as well. So you can go and visit her channel. You will not regret it. Her meals are always so colorful and inviting. It looks appetizing. So thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.